Thinking about making some money online? Well, I've got you covered. Let me show you the quickest and easiest ways to make a decent income using YouTube, even if your channel has hardly any subscribers or views. The next 3 ways of earning money are the same ones I used myself, and I got some decent result. 1. Earn advertising revenue from your YouTube shorts. Late last year, YouTube made a big announcement that's sure to put a smile on your face. As of February 2023, the YouTube Shorts Fund is officially gone. Now you can start monetizing your shorts through the YouTube Partner Program and earning money from video advertisements. This should be much easier than competing with the best shorts creators for a small monthly bonus. 2. License your content to third parties. Depending on the type of videos you create, you may be able to license them to the media or sell them on certain platforms. For example, many storm chasers place a watermark on their videos and leave a "For Media Inquiries" email address in their video descriptions. 3. Use affiliate links in your videos. Affiliate marketing is one of the best monetization strategies for YouTube influencers, especially smaller channels who aren't eligible for the YouTube Partner Program yet. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn revenue by promoting other businesses' products and services. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want individual videos with a better description of the ideas above,